Hi, do you want to create a realistic looking creature in very short span of time? Then this course is for you. If you are a student and you do not have any experience in Zbrush, still this course is for you because I am going to cover all the basics and fundamentals that will help you to start in Zbrush. My name is Narendra Keshkar and I'm going to take you through the complete process of creating a 3D concept for app that you can actually present to your client and actually you can add to your portfolio. If you want to get a job in the industry, you need to have a solid portfolio and solid understanding of creature anatomy and the look development. And that's where I'm going to help you. So we will start from the basics of ZBrush. We will cover the various topics like the fundamentals of brushes and create how to you can customize them, and then we will move through to creating the skull, and then we will start adding the details on the face. So we will take a lot of references and we will create them as well. If you want to check my work, go and check out in the art station and you will know the kind of work and kind of the quality I can provide. So I wish you all the best and I will see you in my classes.